Hello everyone, my name is Donald Philip, Bluesparrow Media. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to replace text scripts. Now we're going to start, I'm on the JavaScript page, so we're going to start with const. Then maybe we'll do text equals to John is a developer. If you want to replace John is a developer to another name, what do you do? So let's do const replace. Let me use the word replace text equals to text dot replace. So we do John, which is there. What are you replacing it with? Donald. Then this text here is what we'll now put in the console log. Refresh. So we have Donald is a developer. So that's how. But if you will now have more than one instances or multiple instances of John. For example, John is a developer and John is also a leadership coach. So we have multiple instances of John. But if you do the same thing, it will only replace one instance of the name John. So what do you do to replace all the instances of the John? For in this case, what you now end up doing is to use the regular expression. So you do this, John, / John, then /. If you try this, it will still give you the same one instance of John. So what you now do is that you now put a G flag after the /. Then it will change all the instances so that we now have Donald is a developer and Donald is also a leadership coach. Thank you. If you find value in this video, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification button so that you don't miss out on any of our videos that are coming. Our videos come out fortnightly. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.